Mazda Color 46G Machine Grey is a metallic gray effect color that provides a highly reflective face and a very deep flop. This color is achieved through a specific application process where we apply one coat of black, one coat of 46G, and finally 1, 2, or 3 control coats. Roberlo's technology allows for accurate color measurement. Before application, we must make 3 control plates to ensure the necessary layers of paint. We will make 1, 2, and 3 hands respectively and compare with the car. Preparation is a very important point for the rigging and the rest of the area to be painted. It should be finished sanding with a P800 to P1000. And subsequently degrease the area. Correct application, the formula and the processes recommended by the software must be followed. The first coat of black color is diluted 1:1, and it is recommended to catalyze 5%. It is applied over the entire repair area with flash-off times of 15 minutes at 20 degrees. The second application coat consists of one coat of 46G color diluted 1:1. Allowing flash-off times of 10 minutes at 20 degrees. Finally, the control coat, where we will apply 1, 2, or 3 coats depending on the result of the plates made for the preparation of the control coats. It is important to over-dilute. We will add 50% more diluent to the remaining mixture or new mixture. Apply a smooth and uniform coat, leaving a flash-off time of 5 to 10 minutes between coats. We will apply the blend color before the last control coat. 15 minutes after the last control coat, we apply a high-quality varnish for an optimum result.